Going by Tesla's exhibition as far as its stock cost, do you think there is a requirement for Elon Musk to move his concentration back to Tesla as the year attracts to a nearby? Some Tesla financial backers are scrutinizing Musk's judgment and his obligation to spearheading the electric vehicle organization. Their anxiety fixates on Musk's October acquisition of Twitter for $44 billion, which has consumed the tycoon's consideration as well as burdened Tesla shares. Yet Musk doesn't appear to be negligent of this reality and has as of late taken another action to make Tesla far superior. You most certainly don't have any desire to miss this one. Welcome everybody and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Twitter proprietor and president Elon Musk as of late posted a casual survey on the virtual entertainment stage inquiring as to whether he ought to step down as the top of the organization. The survey shut a few hours after the fact and finished with a greater part of respondents, around 57.5%, requiring the tycoon to leave his post, with more than 17.5 million Democratic in the web-based survey. This implied in excess of 10 million clients as of now not had any desire to see Twitter run by Elon Musk. Had said that he would truly submit to the aftereffects of the survey despite the fact that it isn't certain whether he will truly do so. Musk didn't promptly remark on the survey's outcomes yet. Will he truly leave as Twitter's new chief? More subtleties in this video. Before we start assuming that you like this kind of happy, try to hit that like button, buy into our channel and turn on notices to keep awake to date on everything occurring with Tesla. Albeit in November, Musk had said that he hopes to lessen his time at Twitter and find another person to run the stage over the long haul. He did later express that there was no conceivable replacement for him at the web-based entertainment organization. Musk had demanded in a progression of tweets that nobody was arranged to supplant him. He composed, "The inquiry isn't finding a chief, the inquiry is finding a president who can keep Twitter alive." In light of another client hypothesizing that Musk has proactively picked a replacement, the extremely rich person said that nobody who can really keep Twitter alive needs the work, and as such there is no replacement. Tesla shares have been dropping in the previous months. As of late, arriving at its 2-year low, the automaker's portions rose multiple percent in the U.S. pre-market exchange. Yet a ton of examiners and financial backers actually accept that the stock is underestimated. Numerous financial backers have ascribed this drop in Tesla shares to Musk's new business with Twitter. Numerous financial backers accept that Musk might be investing a lot of energy in Twitter and is beginning to disregard Tesla and its financial backers. Musk himself has additionally owned up to an expanded responsibility since he began working at Twitter, and presently it appears that the chief is hoping to divert his concentration back to Tesla. With Musk selling billions in Tesla offers and financial backers scrutinizing his engagement, the vehicle organization's stock has shed in excess of $700 billion in worth, and it is as yet dubious in the event that Musk will continue to sell anyway. There have been main issues about the methodology utilized by Musk, one of which is that Twitter surveys are straw surveys, meaning they are casual and not similar to proficient popular assessment research. Bots are inauthentic. Records may likewise have the option to enlist a reaction to a Twitter survey. In a new note by Dan Ives, overseeing chief at values at Wet Shrubbery Protections, he composed that the second greatest solicitation on his Christmas list of things to get was for Musk to track down the replacement to run the virtual entertainment organization. As per him, with a new Twitter turmoil which has brought about a significant migraine and shade for Tesla, he accepts that Musk's need to name a super durable chief of Twitter to end the aggravation. In like manner, Tesla's biggest retail investor Leo Kawan wrote in a tweet that Elon deserted Tesla and Tesla has no functioning CEO. He approached the organization's governing body to make a move, adding the Tesla needs and has the right to have a functioning all-day president. Musk has been selling a large number of his Tesla shares. The business mogul is of late lost the title of the world's most extravagant individual to French financial specialist Bernard Arnault. As per Bloomberg and Forbes, Elon Musk is as of now not the world's most extravagant individual. The title presently has a place with French financial specialist Bernard Arnault, the CEO of the LVMH realm, which incorporates Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, Givenchy, and Tiffany & Company, among other notable extravagance brands, were accounted for, and Musk's vehicle organization, Tesla, was the explanation for why he lost the best position in Musk's administration of Twitter. Raising worries about his different endeavors, particularly Tesla, the Tesla chief has sold billions of dollars worth of Tesla shares this year to fund the Twitter takeover. He has additionally pulled in abilities from both Tesla and SpaceX, including leaders, designers, and lawyers, to help him at Twitter. Musk has sold around $34 billion worth of Tesla stock this year, which has harmed the stock price regardless of the president's promise in April to quit selling shares. Tesla investors have called for Elon Musk to zero in on the vehicle organization. Pundits say Musk's Twitter takeover prior to this year has taken the master's consideration away from Tesla. Tragically, Musk investing time and cash on Twitter as in Tesla's Just Test the Vehicle organization is as of now offering limits on vehicles in China, which could be a sign of more fragile interest for its vehicles there. Likewise, the vehicle organization still can't seem to accomplish its objective of full self-driving, even following quite a while of promising the arrival of this component, despite the fact that Tesla has effectively met with the conveyance of its normal semi-truck different vehicles. For example, the digital truck and robo-taxi are still yet to raise a ruckus around town. In like manner, it is as yet unsure assuming Tesla will fruitful completely hit its creation and conveyance requires the final quarter. The vehicle organization has spread out a few plans to scale a creation for this quarter and for the approaching year too. On the off chance that Tesla's objectives can be accomplished as the organization appears to expect, then Tesla's Q4 creation would put the EV producer on target to meet Elon Musk's objectives of 1.5 million potential units for 2022. These creation plans might actually see Tesla blow past extended development in the worldwide market for cars by near a variable of 10 in 2023, with a creation increment of more than 50% for the year. Musk had recently said that he will ensure Tesla investors benefit from Twitter in the long haul, yet a few financial backers had started to question Musk's validity after the new Twitter proprietor laid off a portion of the organization's previous representatives. Musk laid off 3,700 individuals from Twitter, close to half of its staff, after he had assumed control over the organization. As per Musk, Twitter's labor force was huge and put a lot of emphasis on happy balance stage well-being item improvement and showcasing. Anyway, further reports. After this unveiling, Twitter connected with certain workers to return after the mass cutback, in spite of famously accepting that Musk's absence of consideration for Tesla might be making the automaker's stock cost drop. A few different occasions that have occurred as of late could really be main considerations that are pulling the stock cost down and apparently jeopardizing Tesla's financial backers' assets to move beyond this ceaseless dunk in Tesla share value. A few financial backers like Leo Kagun and Gary Dark have proposed an offer buyback to raise Tesla's portion value. Leo have eventually upheld the possibility of Tesla repurchasing its portions in the midst of critical drops in its stock cost before in May Kagan approached Tesla to declare a $15 billion stock buyback when the organization's portion value kept on falling at the time. He said this through tweet to Martin Vieja, Tesla's ranking executive of financial backer relations, expressing that Tesla ought to quickly report its arrangements to repurchase $5 billion of its portions this year and $10 billion 1 year from now. He added the Tesla could utilize its free income to subsidize the buyback, expressing that the move shouldn't influence its current $18 billion cash saves. In like manner, Gary Dark, who is an overseeing accomplice and fellow benefactor of future assets, expressed in an open letter to Tesla's governing body recently that since Tesla's stock was esteemed at its most reduced forward price-earning relationship, the organization could consider a forceful long-term stock buyback of no less than $10 billion. He further expressed that he would rather that the new buyback comes from abundance money and that Tesla protects its obligation to limit dark trusts, so that Tesla can round up returns and subsequently drive up the worth of its stock. In comparable news, Ross Garber has spread the word about his expectations for being a piece of Tesla's top managerial staff, and Leo Kagu upholds this. The Tesla financial backer asked the financial backers for their help, expressing that it's the ideal opportunity for an adjustment of Tesla's leading body of chief. Do you think Tesla needs another load-up part right now? Told us in the remarks segment, and remember to let us know your valuation on Tesla. In the event that you might want to understand what Tesla has been doing these past couple of days, feel free to tap on the following video on your screen. See you there.